Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy. I'm popping in today to talk to you about something that I'm working on, which is keeping my house organized and getting my house organized. So today I'm in my son Jack's room. Jack's 9, and I am going to show you some of the tips and tricks and ways that I keep his room organized. So one of the biggest concerns obviously in a kid's room is keeping their clothes organized. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tricks is folding socks flat. This really helps keep the drawer organized. The socks aren't in a ball, rolling all around. This is how my dad originally taught me how to fold socks when I was a little girl, and I've been folding socks like this ever since. So basically what you do is you make the socks flat, put the socks together like this, you fold them in half, keeping them flat, and then you push through, but instead of making a ball, push them all the way through so that they're flat, and they fit in the drawer way easier this way. I also fold my clothes flat. I fold them in thirds and I store them in the drawer this way. And they fit a lot better in the drawer. It's a lot neater, a lot more organized, and the kids can glance in the drawer and see everything and put things exactly where they want them to be. So now I'm just going to show you my drawer. So let me get my camera here. So this is my son Jack's drawer, his top drawer. So I have some plastic containers here, one for his underwear and one for his socks. As you can see, the socks are folded flat, and the long socks are in the front and the short socks are in the back. I have a space here, so I use that for the long underwear that he wears under his hockey gear. I have his PJs all folded and easy to see. I have shorts, pants, hoodies, and then in the bottom drawer I have his short sleeve t-shirts, his long sleeve t-shirts, and his hoodie. So another thing that I have in his room are a couple of baskets. I like to have baskets in my kids' room so that the stuff that they want to throw on the floor, they put it in the basket instead, and they know where to find it when they're looking for it. I also use this beanbag chair. It is not filled with beanbags, the beanbag stuffing. It is filled with stuffed animals. So you open the zipper, you put in the stuffed animals, all the stuffed animals are out of the way, and there's a comfy reading chair. Now this is one of my favorite things. It's a clear shoe rack that hangs on the inside of a door. This one is full of Lego, but you can use it for anything. I have one as a homework station. You can use them for craft supplies, hats, mitts, socks, underwear, shoes, water bottles, whatever. You're also going to want a place for books. I have a bookshelf on the wall, and I also have books on his nightstand beside his bed. You're going to want them neat and accessible. Clear out the old ones, bring in the new ones. And there you go. So I hope you like this little tour of my son Jack's room, and I hope you find some of the advice helpful. Thanks.